Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be discussing about star to delta transformation. First of all, we should know why we use star to delta transformation. Like in some of the networks or in some of the circuits, we don't find the parallel or series configuration. Then we have to use some alternate method to simplify that particular network. So for that particular network we use the star to delta transformation, or just reverse of it, that is delta to star transformation. So in this video I will be discussing about star to delta transformation. So basically in this video I will be discussing about how to solve the questions based on star to delta transformation fastly using some trick. It's not just a trick, it's just the formula, but it's a way to solve it faster. Like if we proceed to the rules of solving the question, like first we have to find the SOP, which is the sum of the product, which you will see in the further example. The second step is to divide the SOP with the opposite branch resistance, and the resultant which we get is the required delta resistance. So let's take an example to illustrate it further. Like here is given the star network having resistances 4.53 ohm, 1.23 ohm, 6.66 ohm. So as I have said in the rules before, the first point is to find the SOP. So you can see below that I have found the SOP of it, like taking the corresponding resistances and taking their product and then adding them again and again, like 1.23 into 4.53 plus 4.53 into 6.66 plus 1.23 into 6.66, and hence the result is 443.9335. So this is how you calculate the SOP of a given star network. Then if we want to calculate the resistances of the delta network, then we have to apply the second step, that is divide the SOP with the opposite branch resistance. So the SOP is 43.9335. so if we want to find RA, that is the resistance which is between 1.23 and 4.53, so the resultant will be 6.596. Then if we want to find the resistance RB, that is between 4.53 and 6.66, then we have to find like this SOP divided by the opposite resistance, that is 1.23. the result will be 35.718. and lastly if we want to find RC, that is the third resistance of the delta network, then we have to divide the SOP with 4.53, that is the opposite resistance to the branch RC, and hence we got 9.6983. So this is how easily you can solve any kind of question based on star to delta transformation. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel for the further videos.